Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a subpage in Wix. This is a great way to organize your website by grouping related pages under main pages for easier navigation. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, go to Pages so we can see all the pages. Here, we can see our main pages and booking pages. To add a new page, we will add this page and place it under Accessibility. We will save it and name it Sample Subpage so we can see it right away. Now, if we want this to be a subpage under Home, we can simply move it. We will place this subpage under Home. As you can see, we can drag and drop the page into position. If we want to place it under Terms and Conditions instead, we do that by dragging it so it becomes a subpage of that main page. And that is how we create a subpage in Wix. With this simple setup, we can keep our website well organized and make it easier for visitors to navigate.